Inside this, you might not expect this. A flying intensive care unit inside a C-17 transport plane.
We're taking or using a multi-purpose aircraft, a military aircraft, that can maybe one day be carrying cargo and the next day carrying a full load of injured patients.
It takes an Air National Guard crew about 90 minutes to transform a C-17 for the medical evacuation mission, getting it ready for patients to come on board and be as comfortable as possible. There are some built-in drawbacks being in the air and not at an actual hospital, but the crew can compensate.
The folks on the aircraft are able to adjust the lighting, they're able to adjust the temperature, too hot or too cold for our patients, depending on what they need.
The back of the plane is reserved for the most critical patients. These were heading from Germany back to the U.S.
My team behind me is working, just getting everything plugged in, everything onto aircraft power. The oxygen converted over from portable oxygen cylinders onto the aircraft oxygen.
While the most badly wounded get most of the attention, there are dozens of other patients on board, impressed with the care everybody gets.
It's basically like a big trauma center. Everything's very well prepared, looks great. I think they can handle anything that's given to them.
The goal is to have a quiet flight home where the wounded can get more treatment on solid ground. Sagar Meghani, Associated Press, aboard a U.S. military aircraft flying to Maryland.